Okay, so right now, just as you can see my screen, I had already tested the cells. So I tested the cells like two sets at a go, but it's not good to do that. It's good you test each cell like separately, single cell at a time. Then later you can merge two cells, and then write down their capacities. So if you do that, your battery will last much better than this, because this one, if you test two cells together, one cell may have a defect, and that will later affect your battery on the long run. So that was one mistake I made, and I really want you to correct that in your own. So after you might have finished testing and then leaving the cells for like 2 weeks, so see if any one of them will self discharge. That's after you have testing, you now charge the cells and then leave them for like 2 weeks. Then you now do what? You write down that is the capacities. As you can see here, we should be having like 24 numbers here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. No, you have two sets merged together. So it means you have 48 pieces of cells. So that's what that box contains. It contains 48 pieces of cells. That's 18650 cells. So after writing it here, what's the next thing to do? I will show you right now. So after you might have finished, you do what? You copy those values and then open your Chrome browser, and then you do what? Type repacker.com. Then once you get there, click on that place they wrote packer, that you have a hammer sign. Then once you click on that, where is it going to take you? It's going to take you where you can paste those values that you've copied. So you do what? You paste them. Okay, so then you click on add cells. Once you have clicked on add cells, now the number of cells you see this is 3s, so you put 3 there. You put 3. Yes, you write your 3, and then capacity or number of cells in parallel. We know we should be having like 8 cells in parallel, since there are two cells. That's, you type in 8. Your 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 3 is 48. So I hope you understand. So here you are going to put what? You put in 8. So you just type in 8. Then nominal cell voltage, use 3.7. Some cells at 3.6, so I use 3.7. Just write 3.6. This helps you to know the capacity of the battery pack after this. So you click on 3.7, then you click on what? Generate packs. Then you have the nominal voltage 11.1. Then you have the amperage, as in this case is 32 something, 32.67. So, and the watt hour, that is the energy in that pack, is 362.7 watt hour. So you now do what? You can check you see it has categorized these sets into 3 packs. So you have 3 parallel groups of packs that you are going to later join in series here. So I believe you can see that you have pack 1, pack 2. There are deviations there, though we won't treat that for today. So you go to copy to clipboard. Once you copy to clipboard, you come to your notes, and then you do what? You start another, open another one. Then you do what? You paste them. So these are the cells that you have tested already. So you are going to group them into 3. So you locate the cell number 4449. You keep it to one side, that is on a separate bus or wherever. Then this 4494, keep it on a separate box also. Then 4313, you keep it on a separate box also. So that is the way you are going to do that, and it's going to be very, very well. So after copying out this thing, you just arrange them just as I've said before. After the arrangement, then you start the soldering. So that's all.